Yo, 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 what is good, everybody? In this video, I will be showing you guys that I could finally solve a Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I could finally solve a Rubik's Cube. So without further ado, let's start. And I don't really know how to explain how to solve it, but what I can do is show you. So what I did first is I go onto the yellow middle, and I put a daisy, so the white edge pieces. Now what I do is I'm gonna put the orange, two oranges, and then flip it, and green, and then flip it, blue, flip, and then red, and then flip it. So when I turn it around, it should be the white cross, orange, blue, red, and green. See what I did there? Now when I put the white corners on, I wanna have this blue, this white goes here, the blue right there. So then I'm gonna flip it like that, put it like that, and then the green, and then green again, and then orange, and then blue, red, and then where is the last one? Orange. So when you guys finish the white part, let me zoom it out. It should look like, oh, let me move that. It should look like this. So you have the white, and then you should have little T shapes. Now I'm gonna flip it over to the yellow side. Now I'm going to put the, now I'm gonna do the middle. So I'm gonna put this orange right here. So the orange will be here, and the blue will be there. So what I'm gonna do is up, right, up, forward, up, forward. What I just did is I put it from here to here, right like that. So now I'm gonna do it for, so I'm gonna do the green. So I'm gonna put this green over here. So the green will be here, red will be there. So for that we do up, left, up, forward, up, forward. See what I did, boys? And now, what I will do is, since there's nothing else I could do for now, I'm gonna put this orange over here for now. Then I could put this green over here. So I'm gonna do up, left, up, forward, up, left. So now what I can do is the orange. Now I'm gonna put the orange over here. And basically, even though this is already orange, I need this green to be right there. So I'm gonna do up, left, down, up, forward, So it should look like this. So you have the white complete, and then middle. Now I'm going to be making the T's. So I'm gonna put it like that. Then I'm gonna do F, U, R, F. Now I have a line. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Front, up, right, forward. Okay, now one more time. Front, up, right, forward. And then there we go, we have a white cross. And now, I'm going to do, so now I'm gonna put the corners up here. So I'm gonna do right, up, right. Okay, now we took one away. So now I'm gonna do the same thing, right, up, right. Okay, another time, right, up, right. Okay, so we did the yellow. Now, this part is a little bit confusing. I have the red here. Now I want a red edge piece right here. So I'm gonna do right, forward, right, back, right, forward, right, back, right, up. Okay, Now what I'm going to do is go to the green side and have a green piece right here. So I'm going to do the same thing. Right, forward, right, back, back, right, forward, right, back, back, right, right, up. Okay, so now one final step is I'm going to do, so this red edge is solved. So I'm going to put this red edge back here, and I'm going to do forward, forward, up, left, right, forward, forward, left, right, up, forward, forward, and then one more time. So this piece green can go here, this orange can go here, and then yeah. So forward, forward, up, left, right, forward, forward, left, right, up, forward, forward. And then yeah, I solved the Rubik's Cube. So if you guys found this a little bit helpful, make sure you guys drop me a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Also, turn on all the notifications so you guys can watch my videos once they get posted. And also, use my supporter creator code in the item shop. That is Trivia Xpress, guys. Oh, Trivia Xpress, Xpress with an X, not an E. So like, subscribe, comment, share, peace, enjoy your life. For now, if you can, because I can solve a Rubik's Cube.